Kindergarten establishes the foundation for your child's academic education. During this year, children learn fundamental literacy and math concepts and how to interact with their peers. Kindergarten allows children to learn and practice essential emotional, problem-solving, and social skills for school and life. New kindergarten families are encouraged to complete their child's enrollment in the spring of their kindergarten year. To successfully register a new kindergarten student, families need to complete 2 steps. First, families must complete the online registration by visiting washoschools.net/kinder. If you do not have another student currently attending a WCSD school, a parent or legal guardian selects the Kindergarten and New to WCSD online registration link. Next, select the school year for registration. To begin the registration process, you'll need to enter your name and email address where you will receive a link to start the registration for a new WCSD student. For families with other children in the district, you need to use the Current Student Registration Parent Portal link to access your Infinite Campus Parent Portal. After logging into the account, on the left side, select More. Then on the New menu, select Online Registration. Click Start to go to the next screen, showing a list of current WCSD students. To start the online registration, select the Begin Registration link. To add a new student, select the blue Add New Student button. Make sure to click Save and Continue. The online registration is available in the Infinite Campus Parent Portal and can be done on any device that has an internet browser. After completing the online registration, the second step for kindergarten enrollment is to visit your child's school. To find out your zoned school, under the washoschools.net/kinder page, look for the link to find your zoned school by entering your home address under the search option on the left side. Families, you can visit your school during regular school hours. To find out your school hours and location, look under the Schools directory on the main website under the Schools tab. Bring your child's birth certificate, immunization record, and proof of address. The front desk staff will take copies of your documents. This completes the enrollment process for new kindergarten students. Additional information about enrollment and links to resources to prepare your child for kindergarten are available at washoschools.net/kinder. Welcome to kindergarten.